Hey, how's everyone doing today? So today I'm going to do I don't really want to call it a mod, but some change I did to the Pilot here. It's the first thing I usually do, but I haven't had a chance to get them. I got some new valve stem caps. I'm always reluctant to use metal ones because I know they can seize on the valve stem and cause a lot of issues. So I usually just run plastic ones, at least the ones that are plastic lined. But these ones are brass, so they shouldn't have that issue. I'll show you what I got here. Just picked them up from Amazon. They're like $6 and you get 8 of them. They're just black. One tip I would recommend is to put some anti-seize on the stem when you screw these on, just in case. Depending on where you live, it can make these metals fuse together and you'll never get them off. You'll end up breaking your sensor or the valve stem when you go try to take them off. So that's just some advice. And these have the nice O-ring in there, so it gives a nice clean seal. Like I said, nothing major here. They put these silver ones on from I don't know if the factory did it or when I bought it, but they definitely stand out, so these black ones will blend in with the black wheels here. So I'll go ahead and swap those on and show you what it looks like. Okay, so here they are. It's a nice fit. Now I normally find some stem covers too, but nothing seems to fit these because these are so wide. Because they sell stem covers that you can get in black and they slide over the top. Like I said, I haven't been able to find any. So I know people have taken a Sharpie and colored those black. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I might do that, but there's some touch-up paint on it because that does stand out. It's the only thing on there that stands out. But for $6, easy thing to do. Like I said, it's usually the first thing I do, especially if you're running black wheels like that. But like I said, nothing crazy here. Just want to share that with you guys. It's hard to find the plastic lined ones, but that is my recommendation. But you really can't go wrong with these, especially like I said, if you're going to use them, just put some anti-seize on there so you don't have to worry about any issues, depending on what kind of climate you live in. Just want to share that with you guys. Hope everyone's doing good, staying safe. Appreciate it. Please hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't already. I always appreciate that. I'll catch you guys on the next one.